Hello, everyone. So basically, let me explain this problem to you guys. So in this problem, uh, I actually created this question myself. I'm really just trying to, increase my student clientele and also teach students at the same time. Because this is going to teach you a lot of stuff about organic chemistry. But anyway, so I asked you to identify the chiral centers. I already got them circled right there in red and purple. But the main thing is to give the explanation of if it's RS, I'll give that to you at the end of the video. And also to decide how to get to the RNS. And also the bonus was if you change the chiral centers of THC, will it change the psychoactive effect, if you were to smoke it or do it any other type of way? In the legal states, that is, recreationally in legal states. But anyway, like I was saying, let's get this started. So we'll start with that red part that I circled. There's two chiral centers. So if you start with the red part, you can see that if I take that and I turn it into a tetrahedron, you can see I got this thing circled here and right there at the top of the tetrahedron. Also, if you look at the original THC molecule, I have a lot of numbers in there to identify certain carbons just so we could be on the same page. All right, so if you look at the top of the tetrahedron, that's carbon, let's call that 2 star. To the left, you have a hydrogen. In the dash line, you have carbon 1 star from this. And you have to the right, you have carbon 3 star. Okay, so automatically we have to rank these based off atomic number. So the hydrogen is going to be number 4 off rip. So we have to decide what's going to be number 1. Well, all the carbons are equivalents. So we have to go a little further and see if we can differentiate them. If we go a little further, we can see we have an oxygen. The carbon 1 star is connected to oxygen and 2 carbons. Carbon 3 star is connected to 2 carbons and a hydrogen. Carbon 6 star is connected. No, carbon 2 star is connected to 1 carbon and 2 hydrogens. So we can see that this is going to be the highest priority. And also, this is going to be the easiest one to designate because you don't have to go any further than this. And you can see that it has, you can see those atomic numbers. If you add those atomic numbers up, they're going to be much higher than the rest of these. So you can see that at the bottom there, that's going to be number 1. And then between the two of these, between 2 star and 3 star, you can see that 3 star is going to be number 2 because it has 2 carbons and 1 hydrogen, and the other one only has 1 carbon and 2 hydrogens. All right, so if you do this, you just go. You have to rotate it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna rotate this to the left so we can get the 4 in the back. And once we get the 4 in the back, we have to draw the 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 chirality to follow the numbers, and this gives us R for the first designation, which is right there. So R for the first one in red. And now we get to the next one. This is the hard one. So I'm going to have to explain this kind of quick because I ain't got that much time. So, okay. All right. So we have at carbon number 3 star, that's the next chiral center, the purple one there. So let's make that purple. So pretty much we're going to start there. And let's go a little further. I got this real complicated. So, okay. So 4 star. 5 star, 6 star. All right. You have to differentiate between the 3 of these and give them priority. So the carbon 5 star is connected to a double bonded carbon from here. And you can see that that double bonded carbon is going to have a higher atomic priority than the other 2. A double bonded carbon is the same thing as 2 carbons. So you can see that this is going to be the highest one because it's like 3 carbons. 6 times 3 is going to be the highest out of all 3 of these. These 2 are going to be the same because this is like carbon 7 star. The red one is like 2 carbons, but the bottom one is 2 carbons. So those are equivalent. So what you're going to have is you're going to have a tiebreaker between the 2. And the tiebreaker is going to be the one on the bottom because carbon number 7 star is double bonded, so you can put less things. So that's how you get to this. And then we're going to go from 1, 2 to 3, and that gives us R also. That's how we get RR, another R. Also, for the special topic, that'll have to be another for a video, the bonus, or in the comments.